upload the data, analyze the data, and in the end also find business value in the delivery process. In the hands-on challenge, you will all get your individual access, your individual license of the academic edition of the Celonis execution management system. And then there, upload own data from a delivery process, analyze the data by creating own dashboards, and in the end also coming up with improvement potentials, so telling where the process can be improved in specific ways to make it better and faster, and also better for the customers in the end.